For generations in India, ghee has been called liquid gold, a sacred food in Ayurveda offered in temples and cherished in every kitchen. Yet in the modern health world, it's been labeled as unhealthy, clogging arteries, and bad for your heart. So which is it? Is ghee a superfood from our tradition or a silent killer in disguise? Today, as a doctor, I'll give you the final verdict based on both science and tradition. So you'll finally know whether to embrace ghee or avoid it. Ayurveda has praised ghee for improving digestion, strengthening immunity, and nourishing tissues. Modern science flagged it because it's rich in saturated fat, once thought to raise cholesterol and heart disease risk. But newer research shows not all saturated fats are equal. The type in ghee behaves differently than industrial trans fats. 1 tablespoon of ghee has 120 calories, 14 grams of fat, and vitamins A, D, E and K, essential for immunity, skin and bone health. It has a high smoke point, staying stable and non-toxic when you cook, unlike refined oils. Studies in Indian populations show moderate ghee consumption doesn't significantly raise bad cholesterol and may even raise good cholesterol. The real culprits for heart disease are refined seed oils, trans fats, excess sugar, and sedentary lifestyle. Here's the truth. Ghee isn't universally good. If you have obesity, diabetes, or high cholesterol, excess ghee can worsen the problem. For a healthy adult, 1 to 2 teaspoons of pure cow's ghee per day can be beneficial. Use it for cooking dals, on rotis, or in warm milk at night. So is ghee good or bad for you? The answer is, it's good when pure and eaten in moderation, but bad if overused. Ghee is not the enemy. The enemy is excess. Treat it like medicine. A small dose heals, too much harms. Remember, the strength of Indian traditions lies in balance, not in extremes. Now you have your final verdict.